my name is Tanya Sharma.
And my name is Shreya Rambai.
And today we will be teaching you about the different kinds of clouds that are found in the sky. In this slideshow, you will be exploring the different types of clouds that are found in the sky. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify where each cloud is found in the sky, identify each type of cloud, understand what material clouds are made out of, and the conditions of weather that are brought by each cloud.
What exactly is a cloud? A cloud contains a large combination of water droplets and ice crystals. The condensing of these crystals and droplets make the white and gray clouds in the sky. There are four main levels of clouds you'll be learning in this slideshow: high-level clouds, mid-level clouds, low-level clouds, and vertical clouds. Now you'll be learning the different levels of clouds and the different cloud types within these levels.
High-level clouds are the highest clouds that you can find in the sky. They can be found at altitudes up to 20,000 feet above ground level. Because of this, ice crystals make up most of the clouds because of the extreme cold temperatures that can be found up high at that altitude. Three types of cloud that can be found at an altitude this high are Cirrus, Cirrostratus, and Cirrocumulus clouds. Cirrus clouds can be found in this region that are very thin and look feather-like. These clouds often move in the direction of the wind because they can be pushed over very easily. These clouds usually indicate that there will be a pleasant weather on that day. While cirrus clouds look like streaks in the sky, cirrostratus clouds look like many streaks, almost creating a thin, sheet-like formation in the sky. They are extremely thin and can have a halo effect around the sun or the moon. This type of cloud is fairly common during winter. These clouds typically indicate that there will be rain or snow within 24 hours. Unlike the previous two clouds, cirrocumulus clouds look like small, puffy white clouds in the sky. Many think it looks like fish scales. The clouds often come in long rows covering a lot of section in the sky. This type of cloud is also found during winter. Unlike Cirrostratus, this cloud indicates that there will be a fair but a chilly weather. Now that we have learned about the three different types of clouds found in the high region, it's review time. Which type of high-level clouds indicate fair weather and look feathery? Cirrus or cirrocumulus clouds? If you guessed cirrus clouds, then you are correct.
The next level of cloud you will be learning about are the mid-level clouds. Mid-level clouds can be found at altitudes between 6,500 feet and 20,000 feet above ground level. These clouds are mostly made up of water droplets due to the altitude. Occasionally, these clouds can also be made up of ice crystals when the temperature decreases. The two main types of clouds that can be found at this altitude are Altocumulus clouds and Altostratus clouds. What are Altocumulus clouds? Altocumulus clouds are usually thick, cotton-like grayish clouds that are made up of water droplets. Altocumulus clouds develop on humid days, and their presence usually warns people of upcoming thunderstorms in the following hours. What are Altostratus clouds? Altostratus clouds are thick and covering dark clouds composed of ice crystals and water droplets. Altostratus clouds block out the sun and cover up the sky, leading to rainstorms and gloomy weather. Now, let's review the two mid-level clouds you learned about. Which type of mid-level cloud occurs during humid summer days? Is it Altocumulus clouds or Altostratus clouds? If you picked Altocumulus clouds, you are correct. Now, we will be learning about low-level clouds. Low-level clouds can be found at altitudes below 6,500 feet. Due to this, Water droplets make up most of the clouds. Occasionally, due to colder temperatures, ice particles can also make up these clouds. Two types of clouds that can be found at this altitude are stratus clouds and nimbostratus clouds. What is a stratus cloud? Stratus clouds are typically low, gray clouds composed of water droplets. These clouds usually cover the whole sky with a thick fog that can be dangerous for travel and vacations. If you have ever seen fog whenever you are driving with your parents, that is a low stratus cloud. What is a nimbostratus cloud? Nimbostratus clouds are dark, widespread clouds that can be made up of water droplets. They can also be made up of ice crystals and snow in colder climates. These clouds will cover up the sky and block out light, producing continuous precipitation depending on the temperature, either rain in warmer climates or sleet and snow in colder climates. These clouds will not create lightning. Now, let's review the low-level clouds. Which type of low-level cloud creates fog and is dangerous for travel? Is it a stratus cloud or a nimbostratus cloud? If you chose a stratus cloud, you are correct.
Vertical clouds are extremely tall clouds that can be found at all regions in the sky. Some clouds can reach up to 39,000 feet. Due to this, water condensing releases a lot of energy in the cloud itself. Two types of clouds that can be found in this altitude are cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds. A very common example of the vertical clouds is the cumulus clouds. These clouds look like a ball of cotton in the sky. The base of this cloud is very flat. They form when air forces the edges of the clouds to become more ragged and pushed up higher. Cumulus clouds usually indicate a fair weather. However, if the clouds develop into a cumulonimbus clouds, it can create severe weather conditions. Another example of the vertical clouds is the cumulonimbus clouds. These clouds are created when a huge wave of air rapidly rises over the cumulus clouds that are already there. Cumulonimbus clouds are much larger than the cumulus clouds. The bottom of the cloud is made up of the water droplets, and the top of the cloud is made up of ice crystals. This cloud brings severe weather conditions such as lightning, thunder, and tornadoes. Now that we have learned about the two different types of vertical clouds, it's review time. Which clouds bring severe weather conditions such as lightning and rain? Cumulus clouds or cumulonimbus clouds? If you guessed cumulonimbus clouds, you are correct.
Now, you will be tested on the different cloud types and levels you've learned in the slideshow. Although it may be difficult, please label the different types of clouds. All the clouds listed in the slideshow are present in the diagram. The answer key will be on the slide following the test. Good luck. Here is your test. Please label numbers 1 through 9 with the 9 different types of clouds you learned in this slideshow. Here is your answer key. How well did you do? I am sure you all did just fine.
On this slideshow, you can find additional notes, practice, and games. Please utilize these links if you need the practice for the different types of clouds. In order to make our slideshow more credible and more accurate, these are some of the links that we utilized throughout the entire slideshow to make sure that our information was up to date and correct. Want to learn more about the authors? Hi, my name is Tanya Sharma. In my free time, I love playing badminton and taking pictures of sunsets.
Hi, my name is Shriya Rambad. In my free time, I love baking and spending time with my neighbors and cat.
We hope you enjoyed this slideshow and gained more knowledge. Thank you.